Hello and welcome to another Bodgit and Leggit video. This is just going to be a quick TNT to show you something really quickly. Heater's not working, so let's just plug this back in. When you turn it on, we turn on the heater. Let's see we do. Come on. Turn it up. As you can see, nothing's going. Do not turn your heater on when it's like this because it'll spin around, it'll rip all your wires off. But as you can see, nothing is happening. Really quick test. Get a test light, turn it back on, put it up, just quickly put the test light in, boom, you can see that, test light lights up, so we know we've got power there. If we didn't have power there, you can then look at the fuse, you can even look at the resistor or anything like that, but we know we've got power there, so the motor's gone. Second hand motor, make sure you turn it off, put it on, turn it back on, and there we go. Really quick test to see, and like I said, do not turn that on there because that will spin around, it'll rip all the wires off. Very simple, quick, dirty, easy. So that's another TNT, which is tips and tricks. So there we go, people, how to test it. Hope it helps. Please like, share, subscribe, all user. Don't forget, links up here, links down below. But most importantly, don't forget, get your hands dirty. See you for the next one. Sorted.